Open up your gifts. Go open up your gifts. What's that? What's that? Did you see the first thing? What's this, son? Marcus, go move this. Go move this. Go move this. Okay. You want that one first? Okay.
Buckle.
Yeah. Wow. What's underneath there? Look at that one. Want to check out that one? Yeah. Check out that one. That one's from Grandma and Grandpa. Let's go open that Mickey Mouse. Let's go move this. Let me help you out first, okay? Okay. Look. What's that? Wow. Okay, let me turn it on, okay? Okay. Wow.
Say thank you.
Say thank you, Grandma, Grandpa. Go honk the horn. No, that's this one, look. You ready? You ready? Okay, you see this? Step on this. Step on that. Yeah, it's still too far, huh? Run Daddy over. Yeah, dude. What else you want to open next?
Buckle.
Yeah, that one doesn't have a buckle, I know. You gotta get you a buckle for it. That didn't make a buckle for it.
Okay, let's open up some more
Let's
gifts.
go open up more gifts.
Whoa.
What's this? You wanna look at this? Look.
Gifts.
Yeah, you got gifts. Say thank you to mommy.
Buckle.
What about that one?
You want to open this one?
Open that one. Here. Open it. Lift the package like that. There you go. Open it. There you go. There you go.
You got an iPad.
Whoa.
You got an iPad.
Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. Thank you, Nana.
Whoa.
Boy, you are a lucky boy.
Done.
You done? I don't know how to... Okay.
Bye-bye.
You ready to go bye-bye?
I guess you gotta put in a game first, that's why.